Hello, my name is O Tama Carey and we're here today at Lanka Filling Station to show you how to cook some recipes from my new cookbook. I'm going to show you a recipe of how to make hoppers. It's a little bit complicated and involves a bit of time, but the finished product is worth it. First, you'll need to get some rice flour. Make sure you have two different textured rice flours. One needs to be coarse and one needs to be a little bit less coarse. Make the dough using the rice flour, sugar, salt and yeast. Let that sit for a couple of hours and then into the fridge to sit overnight. The next day you can remove the dough from the fridge and turn it into a batter using the coconut cream and the water. Let this batter sit for a couple of hours to ferment. It will become light and fluffy and glorious. Once you're ready to go, have your hopper pan on the heat warming. A nice ladle of batter into the pan, give it a good swirl and then put the lid on. The hopper will take about 4 to 5 minutes cooking in total. You need to balance out with the lid on and having the lid off to release the steam. The hopper is ready when it starts to come away from the edges of the pan and it's looking nice and dark and crispy. Turn it onto a plate and eat it while hot.